Hello everyone, welcome to the Duranafy channel. In this video I'm going to explore how to make dolly zoom effect with the Fimi X8 SE. In 1958, Alfred Hitchcock is said to have fainted at a party, and he came up with the idea with the dolly zoom effect. This effect is when the background elements either grow or shrink while the foreground effects stay the same. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to do that with post-production software. So the idea is this, that the foreground stays the same and the background, as you zoom in, flattens out. Boom. Or vice versa, when you zoom out, the background and the foreground separate. So if you're moving the camera perspective forward and backwards while zooming or zooming out, this effect occurs. Now, if you watch television, you've seen this effect in numerous videos. Obviously, the vertigo effect was named after the famous movie Vertigo, created by Alfred Hitchcock in 1958. But so many other filmmakers have used it, so chances are you've seen it before, especially in Steven Spielberg's Jaws movie, where the sheriff is sitting at his chair and he is notified that Jaws, the shark, is in that little bay area where his son is sailing and swimming. So they created this effect to kind of warp his mind of what was happening. So today we're going to do that. I'm going to do that, I should say, with post-production and the Fimi X8 SE little camera. We're going to fly this little camera in 3 different locations. Film in the building, I'm going to video a bridge, and I'm going to video a Christmas tree. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I do this on my system here. I'm using VSDC Pro, and I'm going to use those 3 objects to illustrate how to use it. Okay, so let me move my camera and show you how I use my software. Okay, let me push this back a little bit so you can see me a little bit. Alright, I'm going to start this recording here. And in this video sequence, I'm using 6 different clips. And I'm going to start off by showing you guys how I used it on this particular shot, which is this bridge. So I have the drone close to the bridge, and I'm going to fly it away from the bridge as I am zooming in post-production. So here's what it looks like. The blue parameter or box is what's going to be rendered, and this is what the video looks like with the zoom effect in there. Okay, ready? And you can see that we're zooming in post-production. That's what it looks like. Next, I'm going to show you what the parameters look like for zoom. So here's the zoom curve that I have. Okay, at 9 seconds, I've zoomed in 180% or 1.8x, and then I finally zoomed in at 200% at the 12-second mark. And I continue that on all the way to the 18-second mark of the zoom. And then what I do is I zoom back out to kind of reveal how far I have zoomed in. So the next clip that I wanted to show you is this video here, or this clip. It's when I'm backing out of a building over the river and revealing the building with the sunset in the background. And this is what it looks like. Let me show it to you. Alright, here's the video of the building. I'm coming through the building, not flying very well, but it's the best I got. And then we're going to hit the zoom. Here we are. We start to zoom in. It looks all great. I wish I had kept it just like that in altitude, but I didn't. I increased the altitude because I saw the pretty colors of the sunset. That's one of the things that I really didn't like. The other thing I did not like much is the fact that I increased the zoom to 250% and it starts really pixelating at this point. Alright, so that is it for the tutorial on the zooming. Pretty straightforward, not a whole lot to it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and play this video for you, including this like 10 clips in here. And added some music to it, as you can see. There's the music, and I'll see you guys at the other side of the video. Okay, see you then.
You saw me at my darkest. I felt the flood, you dried my eyes, you did. You held me at my weakest, caught in the flame, you felt the fire, you did. And now I want you closer, closer, gotta have you closer, closer. Cause if I lost my life, I would've lost you. And heaven would not be heaven without you. Ooh, I would go through all the hard places. I would go through all the hard places. Ooh, I would go through all the hard places. I would go through all the hard places. All over again, all over again, all over again. I would go through all the hard places. I would go through all the hard places. If I got you in the end, you kept away my demons. Stood in the light right by my side, you did. I know I put you through a bad situation, but you showed me true love and patience. Inside your face, before my eyes, you're an angel. Cause if I lost my life, I would've lost you. And heaven would not be heaven without you. Ooh, I would go through all the hard places. I would go through all the hard places. Ooh, I would go through all the hard places. I would go through all the hard places. All over again, all over again, all over again. I would go through all the hard places. I would go through all the hard places. All over again, all over again, all over again. I would go through all the hard places. I would go through all the hard places. All over again, all over again, all over again. I would go through all the hard places. I would go through all the hard places. If I got you in the end, all over again, all over again. I would go through all the hard places. I would go through all the hard places. If I lost my life, I would've lost you. And heaven would not be heaven without you.
Okay, so here we are at the other side of the video. What did you guys think? Did you guys think that was pretty cool, right? I enjoyed it. Hope you guys did too. Let me know in the comments below. Alright, so the lessons learned are this. You got to fly the Fimi X8. Number one, you got to fly the Fimi X8 nice and smooth. Okay? Try not to go up or down in that altitude. The effect won't be as pronounced. So try to be as steady as possible. Number two is shoot in the highest resolution as possible. 4K is the best. And number three is don't zoom in more than 2 times in your post-production video editing software. Okay, so that is it. Once again, thank you for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate that. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Alright, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you guys in future videos. Bye-bye.
Hard places, I would go through all the hard places.